Hello students of class 6. Bridge builder poem we have completed, isn't it? I hope you all are learning the question and answers well and learning the poem nicely. Today we will start the next lesson in your English literature book, that is Odysseus and the Bag of Winds. So all of you all please open your English literature book to the lesson Odysseus and the Bag of Winds. And let us start the lesson. Odysseus and the Bag of Winds. Today's date is the 23rd. Okay. Everyone open your books to this lesson. Let us start the lesson. Odysseus and the Bag of Winds. Okay. This story is from the Greek epic. Okay. So what is the meaning of epic? Epic is a long poem about the actions of great men and women or a nation's history. So this story is from the Greek epic, the Odyssey. Okay. This story is from the Greek epic, the Odyssey, which is written by Homer. So this story is from the Greek epic called the Odyssey, that is written by Homer. In this epic, Odysseus, the king of Ithaca, and his men are on their way home after the 10-year Trojan War. Now what about the Trojan War? It is given below. See. In Greek mythology, the Trojan War was waged against the city of Troy by the Greeks after Paris of Troy took Helen from her husband Menelaus, the king of Sparta. So, Odysseus, the king of Ithaca, and his men are on their way back home, okay, after the 10-year Trojan War. But this voyage takes longer, okay. The voyage takes another 10 years. It takes a longer time, okay. The voyage meaning the journey by sea. Voyage meaning a journey by sea. That takes even longer. It takes another 10 years, okay. The voyage takes another 10 years. With many adventures on the way. On the way they face a lot of adventures. Now in this extract, meaning in this what we are going to study in our lesson, okay, in this extract Odysseus visits the island city of Aeolia, okay. So Odysseus visits the island city of Aeolia, which rose out of the sea like a great inverted brass bucket with high brass cliffs. So the island city of Aeolia rose out of the sea like a great inverted brass buckets with high brass cliffs. The king of Aeolia welcomed him warmly. So the king of Aeolia welcomed who? Welcomed Odysseus warmly. To satisfy the endless curiosity of the king, Odysseus recounted all his exploits of bravery in the war and all his adventures since leaving Ithaca. Okay. So, the king was very curious to know about Odysseus, and so Odysseus recounted, meaning he thinks about all of his exploits of bravery in the war and all his adventures, and he wants to tell the king because the king of Aeolia is very curious about Odysseus. Okay, so to satisfy the curiosity of the king, he tells the king about all his bravery in the war and all the adventures that he has faced. So read on to find out what happens after Odysseus bids him goodbye. Okay, so now let us see the next slide. The king of Aeolia said, "Come with me. I have a present for you." So the king of Aeolia told Odysseus, "Come with me. I have a present for you." He took Odysseus by the wrist, he caught Odysseus by his wrist and led him through brass corridors to a steely room locked with a golden key. So he took Odysseus by the wrist and he led him through the brass corridors to a room that was locked with a golden key. Inside it was a single bag fastened with 7 cords. So inside this room there was a bag that was tied up, fastened meaning tied up with 7 cords. Cords meaning strong, thick strings. Okay. The bag was sewn out of hide, a skin bag with even seams. So the bag was made out of hide. Okay, it was sewn out of hide. Hide meaning animal skin. And the bag was like, it was a skin bag with even seams. Even meaning equal. And seams meaning lines along which 2 edges of the cloth are joined or sewn together. Okay. So the bag was sewn out of hide and a skin bag. It was a skin bag with even seams. Okay. It was neither round nor square. It was not even round nor it was square. Okay. Writhing slightly where it lay. So writhing meaning twisting and turning. Okay. It was twisting and turning where it lay. It was twisting and turning where it lay. Something was inside it. You could figure out that something was inside the bag. Then the king explained. Okay. The king explained, last week Zeus, the father of all the gods, quarreled with Poseidon, the sea god. To punish him, Zeus captured the 8 winds of the world and put them in my safe keeping for 5 days. The 5 days are up. So what did the king tell Odysseus? He told him that last week Zeus, who was the father of all gods, had a quarrel with Poseidon, the sea god. To punish Poseidon, Zeus captured the 8 winds of the world, okay, and put them in the safe keeping of the king, okay, for 5 days. Okay, now those 5 days are up. He is telling Odysseus this. The king is telling Odysseus this. Is this clear to you? We will do this much for today. Alright. We will continue with the lesson in the next class. Let us come to the word meanings for today. So the word meanings, you have to learn it and write it in your English literature copy. Alright. So the first word meaning is epic, a long poem about the actions of great men and women or a nation's history. I told you what is Trojan War. In Greek mythology, the Trojan War was waged against the city of Troy by the Greeks after Paris of Troy took Helen from her husband Menelaus, the king of Sparta. Cords, strong thick strings. Hide, animal skin. Seams, lines along which 2 edges of cloth are joined or sewn together. Writhing, twisting and turning. Okay students, that's all for today. We will continue the lesson in the next class. Today only this much. I hope the lesson is clear to you. Please learn it nicely. There are some difficult words, like some difficult names. Please learn the spellings of these difficult names, well. And learn the word meanings well. And you will write the word meanings in your English literature copy. We will continue with the lesson in the next class. Thank you students and God bless.